Question 24. The figure shows a cube of side 1, so that's this length here, on which all 12 face diagonals have been drawn, creating a network with 14 vertices, the original 8 corners plus the 6 face centres. So we've got the centre points of each of these, and 36 edges, the original 12 edges of the cube plus 4 extra edges on each face. What is the length of the shortest path along the edges of the network which passes through all 14 vertices? Now, the first thing that you need to work out is that you've got along a face here, if the edges are 1, then you'll have 2 lengths here, A and B. So if I look at that as a right angle triangle, it's a square, it's a cube, so these will be at right angles. I've got A here and I've got B here. So using Pythagoras, and actually I'm going to call those both A because they're the same length. If I then multiply this by the square root of 2, I get 2 root 2, which I often find easier to work on. So that therefore what we're looking at is the side is 1, but the diagonal, this half diagonal, is going to be 2 root 2. And the whole diagonal then, if we were doing the whole diagonal, will actually be root 2, but I'm using the half diagonal to count them up. I'm calling a diagonal this length just here. Now, I tried this 2 different ways. The first time didn't get me very far. Well, it got me far, but it got me an answer that wasn't part of the solution. So let me show you that. So this is the workings to get to 2 root 2. Then what I did is I numbered my vertices to make sure that I'd gone through each of them. I went from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. 7 was at the back. 8 was back up here. And then I did the same and numbered them across here. I said whether they were diagonals. And then I had 2 sides that I hadn't covered at the end. I then worked out how many sides and how many diagonals I had, and I multiplied the fact that the sides were 1 each, so 2 multiplied by the sides, and then here I had 11 diagonals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because there's 1 between 7 and 8, and so I had 11 root 2 over 2's. I then worked that out so that my answer was then 2 plus 6.5 root 2, which isn't a possible solution. So my first attempt was wrong, and therefore I assumed I needed 1 less side and 1 more diagonal. So that was where my assumption was. I then, in my second attempt, said that there was 1 less side and therefore 1 more diagonal, and therefore I got 12 root 2 over 2 and only 1 here, which gives me the answer 1 plus 6 root 2. So this was an assumption, and what I did was actually drew that out to make sure it was possible. And to go through, I found that the net actually even more useful than doing it on a cube. And then this traced through, and I counted that I did indeed have 12 diagonals and just the 1 side because I needed to go through this vertices here. Therefore, the answer is A.